Hello, hey. How are we? Thank you for coming back and taking another look at my channel. Well, it's been a week. I've been living in the van for a week. I got no streamers and poppers and stuff like that. I've got some more subscribers. I've had some friendly comments come back. Yeah, I'm fully grateful. I got a new battery for the laptop. That was fun to put in. Thank you to YouTube for having the how-to videos on you, because without that I wouldn't have been able to put the new battery up. As you can see, she's an old girl. That is the Alienware laptop MX14 with Windows 8. Holy crap, Windows 8. Yeah, it's got dial-up internet as well. Oh dear. So yes, I know I need to update my laptop badly, and everything. I need to update a lot of things, but hey, she's got a new battery now. It charges. Camera's there. Look at the green light. Hi. I'm really not good at this. What it's been like for the first week? Tough. I mean, I've got the motor going at the moment, the engine motor. It was 35 degrees in Brisbane today. Hot. I do not know what that is in your neck of the woods, if you're watching somewhere else in the world. But yeah, 35 degrees here. Fahrenheit and other readings I do not know. All I know is I had a 13-hour shift last night. I got up, I got back home here at 7, and basically passed out. I don't even remember laying my head on the pillow. I passed out, and then I think I woke up at about 1400, 2 p.m. Yeah, it was sweaty, very sweaty, and living down by the river. You may see that quotation on my videos. That's a small little nod for those people who knows that the line, I live in my van down by the river. Chris Farley, the late and great Chris Farley. Yeah, there was a skit on Saturday Night Live I really enjoyed. So now I live in my van down by the river. In my king-size bed. In my king-size Sprinter. She's a beauty. I'm so proud of her. Like I said, I think what I said before, I haven't really gone into detail like what I really need, so I'll go into detail in this video. I also wanted to touch base as well, saying I've done it. I didn't think I ever would, trendsetters. I didn't ever think I would, but I got a TikTok channel. Boom. See, I need to update my computer so I can do all the sound effects and do all the little tricky things, because yeah, I tried to download a few things on here to be able to do the all the yeah, it doesn't do it. I really need a new computer. But yes, I joined TikTok. So I have a TikTok channel. I have linked it in the descriptions on my YouTube channel. It's just to get some more people coming in. Instagram, don't really have much on there, so see how TikTok goes first, and then get people over from there and join and subscribe, like and subscribe, as they say. But yeah, there will be traveling, there will be moving around and getting around and seeing outside and show you the van. I haven't really shown off the outside of my van. Now that I am in a secure location and stuff like that down by the river, I'll be happy to show her off. The things I really need to get in the next few weeks is the insulation, the rock wall insulation. I need to get a new computer. I want to get that Starlink. I want to get the batteries. I'm going to really have to look into. I know I want to get three big batteries for this thing. I need to put another solar panel on the roof, which I have room for. I've got the two vents, I've got the aircon. So if I get another solar panel on the roof and Starlink just up the front here, beating through the roof. But I was in here, now that I'm in here full time, I got some spack or putty or whatever. The van leaks, so I need to take it somewhere where they can check around the vent, because there's water coming in there, and there's water coming in just up there. On the other side of the vent, you will see there's a hole. Sorry, I'm trying to position the camera. So there's that little bit just on the other side of the vent to the left of the picture that you see in front of you. And it was coming straight down onto my pillow. So that was not good. I've got a cork gun and spackle and stuff. Oh, and it was coming just here as well. So that's where my I'm getting the words in a second. My solar panel leads come in through there, and it's got a bit of a hole, and that's why I had that cloth up there, because there was also water coming in there as well. So I found 3 leaks in the van. They're going to be fixed up, and I'll get putty onto them, or spack, or whatever it's called. And I'll do the inside as well as I can. But with that vent, I may leave it for a professional. So if anyone's watching in Brisbane and knows of someone that can do like take off the old stuff around and then fix it up a lot better than what it is, because water's getting in somehow up there, that would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, like I always say, anyone drops any comments, I will do my very best to reply and say hello back. But any advice and words of encouragement as well is always appreciated, especially now when I'm basically on my own. Hence why I've done the TikTok, hence why I'm here, hence why I'm doing more videos. I really want to get some words of encouragement. It does help the morale boost. Yeah. Happy days. So, alrighty. I want to say thank you to all who come and watch the channel. I'm very grateful. Once I get the new computer happening and everything like that, I'll have all the noises, sounds, intros, outros and stuff like that. But on this it's a 2014 laptop. It's not, yeah. I've tried it, doesn't want to do all the updates and stuff, so I can't even get Command Center to go on here anymore. I've got one key that lights up. The whole keyboard's supposed to light up. It won't. Command Center's not even there anymore. And I've put in my security code. I've put in my serial number at the Alienware Dell support page. My system's too out of date. I can't. It doesn't want to do anything. So time for a new one. Whether it be Alienware, whether it be another gaming laptop, I don't know. I will have a peruse around. But yeah. Alright. Cheers everyone. Thank you for taking the time. Like and subscribe. And yeah. Cheers everyone.